Hugo Boss jeans in for a crotch repair, all worn out, typical repair that we see here. They have got a little bit of elastin in these jeans from Hugo Boss, so they do wear out a bit prematurely. Sometimes I see blowouts happening like this and wear like this happening up to only 12 months into ownership of wearing. It's a common repair that we do here. We do a lot of them here, and we've got all the right cottons and fabrics and everything to do a really good repair on this. So if you want to check out some after results of repairs like this, you can check out my website, which is www.thedenimdoctor.co.uk, and also you can check out my Instagram feed where I put up lots of before and after pictures, and I might do an after repair video on this one as well, so look out for that on the channel. So obviously with Hugo Boss jeans, they're around about at least £100 a pair nowadays. I think they might even be up to about 150 by now. So obviously for the sake of it was either for us, we either charge £15 just to do that one side, or we charge £19.95 to do both sides. So the customer's going for both sides to be done, and I think that's for something that lasts at least a year, if not up to 2 or 3 years repair work. I think that's money well spent in my eyes. Yeah, so if you get in touch, drop me an email, drop me a DM on Instagram, and I will help you out. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the help on the channel. And subscribe to the channel if you want to get any more updates on denim. Yeah, thanks very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.